Orange Gochugaru.
There are so many reasons why people are having a never-ending love affair with Korean culture. But for myself, it's the food and those insanely great flavors.
Let's talk gochugaru, otherwise known as Korean chili. This is one of the most important ingredients in Korean cooking. Gochujang, kimchi, spicy soups and stews, side dishes, gochugaru.
There is no substitution for the mildly hot, sweet, and fruity taste of this vibrant red chili.
Garlic, of course, and tamari add a salty, savory flavor to this blend. And orange juice powder adds a citrusy punch. Yes, orange juice powder. Think of this blend as the perfect dehydrated Korean-inspired sudden delight marinade.
When it comes to consistency, this is a complex blend with fine powder, flakes, and granules.
Pause your K-pop, we're talking techniques.
Sauces. I love using orange gochugaru in sauces because the fruity notes from the Korean chili and the orange juice powder come forward. It might remind you of your favorite sweet chili sauce.
High heat wok cooking. When I wok it out with orange gochugaru, I double down on the blend. I pre-season the meat, get my oil ripping hot, and go to work. As the blend cooks, the orange juice powder caramelizes and becomes slightly sour. I add a second dusting of orange gochugaru to layer in flavor, bringing out the sweetness of the gochugaru flakes and the umami of tamari granules. Chef's kiss.
Orange gochugaru.
Spicy, smoky, citrus.
Period.